haligi na.
Para sa ating Culture Day, nais natin na magkaroon ng magandang karanasan ang bawat isa sa buong araw na ito.
Tuhod ng Diyos at magpapakita sa atin ang ilaw ng bahay. Tagumpay na naglilingling, walang talo, walang malas, tagumpay lang ang nagliling.
Tenacity, I think, is not just go, go, go. Yeah, it means laban lang. Pero ano yung pinaglalaban mo? At saan ka humuhugot ng lakas para ituloy yung laban? Di ba minsan, kahit pagod na tayo, tuloy pa rin. Kasi pinaglalaban natin yung pamilya. Nakaasa sila sa atin. Sila ang dahilan kung bakit tayo pumapasok sa trabaho. It's very similar to what we see in the gospel. He understood his apostles. But he also understood the need of the crowd. And so, he taught them. Nagpatuloy siya.
Sugat at luha, ilang beses man matumba ay ilang beses.
Pag tumigas ang katawan mo,
Babangon,
patay ka.
pananalig sa Diyos, sa sipag at
natatag kailangan. Pero huwag matigas. Pag matigas ang puso mo, patay ka na. Kailangan matatag, pero hindi matigas.
Hindi kakayanin ng isang tamad. Tamang kaalaman at
Little did I know, all those little things would come up to being able to speak in front of you. Imperfection is perfection. So it was actually an imperfect season, an imperfect year for all of us. But at the ending was perfectly fitting. Hindi porket may mali na agad sa umpisa, bibitaw na agad tayo. Always choose kindness. If our foundation is always with kindness, without hidden agenda, if I have to cite an example also, or exhibit A would be the Ribisco family. The Nang family actually helped us kasi, well, with the help of Sir Arthur Lim. But I think they saw something in volleyball. Binigay din nila yung time and effort nila. Next would be, eto, we have to have accountability. We have to be responsible and we have to be humble enough to accept our mistakes. If not, medyo baka maligaw po ulit tayo. Prepare to make sacrifices. I'd say these sacrifices mold us to be who we are right now. Kung hindi dahil sa sacrifices ko din before, hindi ko ma-appreciate kung gaano ka-valuable yung time na meron ako with my family. Tenacity is a trait, but without any skill, I don't think we're able to be tenacious enough to achieve our goals. So maraming salamat po.
Sa iyong malasakit at kusa, ilang beses ka mang natumpa, ilang beses ka rin bumangon, pananalig sa Diyos, sa sipag at tiyaga.
Resilience, kung mahulog ako, babangon ako. Kung magkamali ako, magsusumikap ako muli. At ito yung napakahalaga dahil ang pagkakamali lagi ang mangyayari. It will always happen. Mistakes, failure, it will always happen. The important thing is the getting up.
Oras po ng practice namin ng Hot Mamas para sa intermission number namin para sa event po sa Pagsibol 1 at Pasinaya 3. Kasi magpi-fiesta po doon. Okay, okay guys, ready na ba? Ready. Okay.
Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we believe it, let's do the
And then, pupunta rin ako ng chapel kasi para magpapasalamat din ako sa buong araw na binigyan niya ako ng lakas para magawa lahat ng kailangan kong gawin. At syempre, bilang lingkod din ng simbahan, mag-aayos din, naglilinis saglit dito sa chapel. Ayun, yung ipinagpapasalamat ko sa buhay ko, na sa kabila ng mga hirap na pinagdaanan ko, nandito pa rin ako. Pag nagre-reflect ako ngayon, na-realize ko na ganun pala ako katatag kasi hanggang ngayon buhay pa ako.
Tenacity is having faith above and apart from fright or flight. A lot of us, that's how we go through life. Faith. You hold on, you move on. Outcome of faith is win-win. Resilience is to have and hold faith to the finish. Striving all things is to have that same faith. To have is to have and hold faith through the evil. Tagumpay na nagniningning, this explains why we have those three slogans. Walang malas.
walang hirap, tagumpay lamang.
Yeah, there you go.
Walang talo, walang malas, walang hirap, tagumpay lamang. Walang talo, walang malas, tagumpay